टाइम किती करतो डॉक्टर एवढी कंप्लेनिंग टाइम लागतो किती गायनोकॉलॉजी सर
There are they are three. Gynecopedy, mammography, and antenatal.
so much
Today there is post Ganpati rashes. Today we usually get a load of 35 cases. Today we have taken around 50 cases. Actually, 130, 148.
This is skin upgrade.
you are alone
Injection, dressing room. हम बोल कर रहा हूँ. ये साइकिल है.
ये देखिए रेफरल कोणाकडे रेकॉर्ड असतो
पर ऑफिस आना.
आहे का हे म्हणजे तुझे ओपीडी चढ आणि चढ लोक असतात मेडिसिनाचे मेडिसिन हे डॉक्टर
डॉक्टर एडी पढ़ा ना सर.
मेसेज ऑर्थोपेडिक कोण
ऑर्थोपेडिक रेजिस्टेंट
काउंटर टोटल काउंटर किती होतो How are you, sir? How are you? I just came to check everything is shifted doctor down by yeah, we have all the distribution now, even the that because the old building was not in a condition that the EIC of it has temporarily shifted to the time they occupied
This is radiology, ultrasound. This is our reception.
तुझा तकलीफ इतका काय करेल तकलीफ हात मारून बसला सांगते इतकी झालं नाही हां
So we give appointments here for ultrasound. Registration is done here. So the patient who are coming on that. 50 appointments done in ward. We are doing one day. This is
we have to create two centers of excellence that we have told these guys on priority. Other
no sir, we have just finished 80 patients.
maintenance मध्ये कोणतरी any other all मध्ये गेलं ते
No sir, माशे राऊंड दोन गावी तर आणि कोण पेशंट आहे ट्रॉली झालं we take here only all trolley patient.
It is scan getting that right?
yeah come how you cleanliness
दोन्हीकडे घटना ॲडव्हान्स वन मशीन वन मशीन फिगर
आणि सिटी स्कॅन केलं
और console different.
चलता नाही सर्विस AMCB सारखे more number of your create two center of excellence without that you don't go under consultants and medical officers also. See, South people should not come to government. You should be able to restrict it here. For that you require backup. Backup we will do. Even the other supportive staff, sir. Nurses, MPs. Whatever I just certain bifurcation after the bifurcation compartment comes in a bed where there's a compartment with a vertical I just of your curtains to
every bed which all when persons
No वेळ असतो तर CT स्कॅनरचा रिपोर्ट जनरेट करून देतो.
मॉर्निंग आवर्स घेतले जातात ते इमिजिएटली विदिन हाफ ॲन आवर.
We need advanced tests. Abbott platform is
हे सगळ्या फ्लोराचेर सांग.
piano. अच्छा आप waiting room sir. No, 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 they are doing something. No, it's that's it. Who's the lab? HM sir. Dr. Melanie, you got what are the platforms you got?
So we do biochemistry, hematology, cytology, microbiology. We have a PCR lab, and we use static histopathology also for this.
No, but your platform is which one? How far you get the report?
For IQ samples, within 4 hours we get emergency reports, and OPD samples we get within 24 hours. So the patient comes
So
to
what platform is it? You don't have any.
laboratory information management system. We don't have.
What's the platform you're using? Like you have Abbott's platform or
We
you
have
have.
different equipment, sir. Like this is a Bodica 5-part analyzer.
No, report is sick. But how many generally do you have at one time?
There are around 4 to 6.
How many patients at a time? Brother, how many usually patients? 40? 40 patients in every 6-7 shifts. So you have to actually. This is that side of the main surgery. Sorry. I just want to observe. Without backup, how will you what are the surgeries scheduled to do? What's the ward of the
Second floor is pediatric ward and maternity. Third
So the slippers are here.
Two babies.
So I don't know when. Yeah, no, it's okay. Then babies.
So we are keeping up to 6 to 7 babies.
Okay. How many machines we have now? Like this?
Sir, we have 10 warmers. So we have all mounted 10 warmers.
Enough, I think.
Yeah, we have actually capacity of 10, sir. And this is our 11th one receiving corridor. Means like as baby comes from outside, we see how is the baby. If referral then baby from here after stabilization goes to GMC. Or if
Babies
admission.
at the GMC,
No, there is mechanical ventilation, so we are not doing that.
Why you not doing?
So we want medical officers round the clock to monitor the sick babies.
Medical office round the clock.
In an ICU, sir, like how ICU.
But you still have shortage of staff.
Medical officers.
Yeah? And also nurses.
Yes, sir. We would want.
If you want everything, you want more stuff. If you want to make a 10 by 10, you want 18 stuff. Yeah, less.
12.
And the reception and reception.
Ashwini आता they just want to surgery ultrasound room
आपल्याला आणि कोण मग रूम बाय रूम जातो लाईन नाव आहे लाईन लाईन तू कोण
आणि
From medical college, we have been
Yeah.
sent for the.
आणि to the main
No, what your local knowledge is about? Who's the doctor? Ah, next patient. पण अशी गर्दी किती
182 registered.
पण सारख्या पैसा बसपाक जागो आहा काय?
हे बसतात
पण इतली गर्दी कित्याक? But it looks like it has been said. You're a doctor, no? You have to manage all this. You can't put people to inconvenience. I don't have to come here to find out what is going on. Sir, पुढे चल. अश्विनी काय?
अश्विनी अल्ट्रासाउंडकडे असले
आणि पुढचे आहे दुसरे माझे डॉक्टर कोण?
मेडिसिन ओपीडी
मेडिसिन बंद केले का?
काबाड झाले
Yes, thank you. I was just wanting to come and see myself what happened.
सर एक बाईट बघा ठीक आहे
ना हांव मुद्दम आयिल्लो कित्याक हांवें विधानसभेन जे अश्युरन्स दिलें की सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आमी चॅक करतले हांगा आमचे जे कितें स्टाफाचे कितें ओपिनियन आहा डॉक्टरांचे कितें शॉर्टेज आहे प्रत्येक गोष्ट समजून घेवपाक म्हणून हांव आयिल्लो म्हाका पब्लिसिटीचेर चड खास ना आनी मेन म्हणून हांव एकटोच आयिल्लो इतलेच खातीर की पळोवन घेवन मागीर डायरेक्टर कडल्यान मागीर हांव सरकारा कडेन ते मांडपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो आयज सावथ गोवाच्या लोकांक चडशे रेफरल जे जाता जे आमचे कडेन सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स म्हणून आमी शब्द दिल्लो गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान जशें आमी करता तशें हांगा दोन करपाक म्हणजे सावथ गोवाच्या लोकांक पणजे धाडपाची परिस्थिती येवची ना कार्डियाक एक गरजेची गोश्ट आहा ऑर्थोपॅडीक एंड न्युरोलॉजी हे 3 डिपार्टमेंट आमी जर हांगा ओपन करूं शकले आनी इंडिपेंडंट आमी करूं शकले आनी एक्झिस्टींग जे आमचे डॉक्टर एकदम बरें काम करता आपल्या लेवलाचेर जे ICU बी आज पळोवन आयला सगळे PICU आनी जे कितें आमचे पेडियाट्रीक इंटेन्सीव केअर युनिट जे आहा पूण त्याच बरोबर लोकांक जी सोयी सुविधा आनी त्याच बरोबर जेवणाची सोय जी आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान केला आयज सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलाची संख्या दिसाक म्हाका दिसता 650चे वयर ओपीडीचे जे वयर लोक जाता म्हणजे तांकां त्याच तरेची सोय उपलब्ध करून दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न सरकाराचो आसूंक जाय आनी म्हाका दिसता हे सगळे गोश्टी फुडले 4-5 म्हयन्या भितर हांव मुख्यमंत्री कडेन मांडून एक विशय डिस्कस करपाचो कित्याक केन्ना आमी डिस्कस करता पण हे इम्प्लिमेंट जावपाची गरज आहा इम्प्लिमेंट जाल्यारूच आनी सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स जो पर्यंत ते जायना आनी कार्डियाकाची वेगळी सोय आमी करिना त्याच बरोबर ऑर्थोपॅडीक म्हाका दिसना की सावथ गोवाच्या लोकांक जे तेंचे मनान आहा ते आमी करूं शकतले पूण हांव मुद्दम आयिल्लो की आमचे डॉक्टर आहा डॉक्टर रेड्डी आहा आनी बाकीचे सगळे डॉक्टर्स कडेन चर्चा करून इवन नवे तेंचे कडेन ऑटोमॅटीक ब्लड एनालायझराचो प्लॅटफॉर्म जो आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान धाडला तांकां अश्युरन्स दिला की फुडले 2-3 म्हयन्यान हांगा आमी उपलब्ध करून दितले म्हणजे हांगासरले सॅम्पल भायर वचपाची गरज पडची ना इतलेंच पळोवपाक हांव आयलो
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
सी यू आय बी